Support for the American Business Podcast comes from Just Answer. Just Answer brings you the real help from real experts 24/7. 24/7, you can get your answers from lawyers, doctors, vets, electricians, electronic technicians, computer technicians, mechanics, tax accountants, home improvement experts, and many more. We all need answers sometimes, and it makes sense to have the subscription with Just Answer so we can ask our questions anytime, 24/7. I have the QR code on the screen. When you scan the QR code, you can start the process of signing up for Just Answer. Just Answer is affordable. The answers you need at a price that is right. Please scan the QR code and start your subscription with Just Answer right now and get your answers 24/7, no matter where you are, anytime, anywhere. QR code is on the screen. Please scan the QR code and sign up for Just Answer today. And enjoy the experience. Thank you very much.